Hi everybody, thank you so much for having me this week for your 7-day mind, body and skin workshop. So we've got so much coming up this week. We're going to be doing goodie bag giveaways. You've also, if you do decide to place an order, you're going to go into a draw to win 15 brand new products worth £570 as well. But I wanted to kickstart the week, really just giving you a bit of an insight into the brand and why I love it so much before we even talk about any products, because I first came across Arbonne 8 years ago. I'd never heard of the brand before, and I was blown away when I heard about what the brand stood for, and then I obviously tried the products for a few days and haven't looked back since. So obviously my background is very different. I was not in the product business, I was not in health and wellness. I'm a qualified secondary school teacher and also did event management for many years. But what I had done in my younger years as a dancer is I'd been a temp in Harrods. So I'd worked on all the beauty counters, I'd tried all those brands, and also running an events agency, worked with a lot of makeup artists, doing fashion shows. So I tried it all. And so when I first heard about Arbonne, to be honest, I thought, if they're that good, why have I not heard about them before? Because I knew my brands. And then I started to learn about the company and how it worked and how there was no paid advertising. It was all word of mouth. But actually it's an ultra premium company. But I wouldn't be able to afford these products if they were on the high street, because they are ultra premium. You're looking at skincare on par with Creme de la Mer, La Prairie. So really, really incredible products. So what I'm going to do just for a few minutes is give you a little bit of an overview of the brand. You'll see why I love it so much, and also just talk through the different ranges we have. And then I'm going to focus on the main things this week that you voted on the poll for. So if you haven't voted on the poll yet, just scroll down the event, vote on what you want to hear most about, maybe the top 3 things. And I want to really cater this week just for you, you and all the guests that are here as well. So Arbonne are a 41-year-old company. It was founded by a gentleman who worked with products, and he was really just not happy with the amount of synthetic chemicals used in products day in, day out. And he wanted to bring something to the market that was really high-end, unparalleled in results, so massively results driven, but also pure. And that is a hard thing to find. Usually you have to go down the synthetical chemical route if you want to get the results, or you can go buy something that's really safe and 100% organic, but it doesn't actually do anything. And that is what he set out to do, Peter Mork, and that's what he's done. And 41 years later, we are around a $700 billion company, and we're only in 6 countries. So we've not even scratched the surface of where we are going as a company. So at the moment, you can invite people into this party that are in the UK, Poland, Australia, New Zealand, America and Canada, and they can shop and it'll be sent to their doorstep in 3 days. So I'm just going to share my screen with you because it's quite nice to get a visual of the brand and what we stand for. If I can just get that open for you. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. So yeah, Arbonne's been around for 41 years, and we pride ourselves on making really pure, really safe, but beneficial products for everyone, from babies through to men's grooming, to women, anti-aging, nutrition. And we really want to help people flourish inside and out. So, you know, our cosmetics is an extension of the skincare. You know, everything is really working hard to give you the results that you want, but you know, you've got the purity there as well. So our approach as a company is healthy living to improve the mind, body and skin, and our philosophy embraces the connection between a healthier mind, a stronger body and more beautiful skin. We know that it's all connected. You know, a good mindset impacts the results you're going to get in your health, in your mental health, in your physical health, in your physique. You know, how you look after the inside is going to impact your skin. So we recognize all of those connections, and so everything we do is connected. And throughout the week, you know, I might cover things that are more towards mindset and supporting yourself that way. One day will be skincare, one day will be cosmetics, and some other things in between as well, depending on obviously the guests and what you voted for. But this is our founder, and he said, when I dreamt of Arbonne, I wanted it to be a place where people could flourish. And that's not just for us as consultants. Obviously, we get to flourish building our own business and using these gorgeous products and in that supportive, empowering community of like-minded people. But for me, what really drives me is seeing my clients getting the results they want. And, I like to see myself as a solution finder. I'm not about hard sales. I would be terrible as a saleswoman. If you put me in I don't know, like a full sales job, that's not me. But if I use something and I know it works and I know it can benefit someone else, it's totally a different thing when you come in from a place of recommendation. And I have used these products on me, the whole family, for 8 years now. So I've tried it all. So throughout the week, don't feel like you can't send me questions, comment on the post. You're never tied into anything. There's no obligation to shop. Obviously, if you need something, I'm here. But I just want to help you find a solution to anything that you need. So I was quite uneducated before I discovered Arbonne on what was actually in my products. So to give you an idea of how these products are ultra premium with Swiss heritage, but affordable, when you go out on the high street, so that could be an economy brand. So your economy brands are like your supermarkets, your Boots, your Superdrugs, usually American formulated. They are regulated by the FDA, and the FDA have only banned 13 ingredients. So only 13. Then you've got your premium department store brands, usually French. They go by European regulations, about 1,700 ingredients. No, sorry, 1,200 ingredients have been banned that they won't use in their products, but still, there's a lot of things in there. Arbonne have gone above and beyond. So we're an ultra premium brand, but we're priced right at the bottom of a department store pricing because we don't pay for advertising. We don't pay for celebrity endorsements. We don't pay for the cost to go to retail. We don't pay for all the staff and the lighting that all goes into that product choice. And when you go into a normal high street store, whether that is Harrods or Harvey Nichols or it's the local supermarket, 40% of what you spend is for the advertising alone to convince us to go and buy that product. Only 15% of your money goes on the actual product. Okay. So you can imagine whatever you spend now, say you spend £10 on a cleanser, £1.50 of that is actually for what you're taking home. The rest is all the middlemen, the wholesalers, the delivery, the cost of going to retail, the advertising, the celebrity endorsements. So this is how we've managed to keep our products ultra premium, prestige in quality and ingredients by cutting out all the middlemen. And you've got me here sharing it instead. So instead of a celebrity on the TV costing millions and millions of pounds, you get a better product and I get to grow a business. So it's an absolute win-win for everybody. So we have banned 2,000 ingredients. We have gone way above and beyond what is expected of us. And we're also a B Corp, which I'll come on to in a minute, which means that we are held to the strictest regulations out of all companies, and there's only 3,800 B Corps currently in the world. So if you're looking for a brand you can trust and that has transparency, look for the B Corp stamp on a product. So we have plant-based ingredients, really high clean standards. We co-develop with experts across fields from nutritionists, dermatologists, pediatricians, and we have scientific testing that is outsourced to back everything that we say. So there's no hype. We don't rose tint everything. What we say is fact. So we're vegan certified, we're cruelty free, have been for 41 years. We don't use any gluten or anything, nothing artificial in any of the nutrition. We're informed sport approved, which means the armed forces and professional athletes can use the nutrition, and we're kosher as well. So we've got lots of certifications. But for me, before Arbonne, I never read an ingredients list on a product. And when I actually learned what those ingredients were that I was using on my skin and my family's skin every day, that's when I realized I didn't want to do that anymore. I didn't want to give my money to people that were bulking out products with mineral oil, which is liquid and peripherum, a waste product to the crude oil industry, so that they could spend more on celebrity endorsements. But I also thought, gosh, other people need to know this. My son used to have allergies to sun creams, and then I learned about all the synthetic parabens and chemical dyes and chemical fragrances and colorings, all sorts that goes into products that we just don't learn about. So yeah, Arbonne uses nothing in the synthetic nasty region, all pure, safe, all the nutrition is whole food derived, and all the products come from botanical sources, all sustainably sourced as well, which they would have to be a certified B Corporation. So we have over 400 products. I'm not going to cover 400 products this week. I'm going to give you a little bit of an insight into them all, but you can go look at my website and I will tell you how you can save 20 up to potentially 50% on products. So if you create a little wish list throughout the week, and then I can make sure you get the best deal. And obviously you've got the prize draw running. And if you're a brand new client, they do like a welcome free product too. But we have skincare for all skin types, younger skin, older skin, targeted aging. We have men's grooming as well. We have makeup, which can't wait to share with you, which has got patented Optolite technology, which gives the skin a soft glow focus, used by a lot of makeup artists. There's a lot of makeup artists that are celebrity makeup artists that are now Arbonne consultants because they love the results and they know that their clients will be happy because they're cruelty free, they're vegan. So like the X Factor makeup artists, Strictly Come Dancing makeup artists, using Arbonne cosmetics. We've got everything for your body. We've got gorgeous hair care. We've got spa products. We've got your everyday essentials, deodorants, toothpaste. We've got nutrition. So if you wanted to get leaner or just boost your energy levels, or you want to do a full 30-day body reset with meal plans and a nutritionist support group, we've got all of that. And we've also got programs to help you with mindset, so morning mindset coaching, daily fitness classes, and nutrition delivered to your door every 30 days so you can have a nutritious breakfast using all the Arbonne supplements and the recipes provided by the nutritionist. So we've got everything. We've got baby products as well. And we've also got a fighter sport range, which is targeted for people that are really into their fitness and they want to up the sports performance. So I'm just going to finish off by telling you a little bit more about what it means to be a B Corporation. So as I said, there are only 3,800 companies in the whole world that haven't got this certification. Hundreds of thousands of companies have applied for it, but it is so hard to get this because it's a really stringent high standard of regulations across the whole field. You know, being a B Corp is the next step from a charity. So you've got charities, you've got B Corps, and then you've got companies that just run for profit. So it means that we care just as much about people and the planet as we do about making a profit. And Arbonne make a great profit, but we make sure we look after the planet at the same time and give back as much to that. So environmental impact, employee welfare, like we get loved on so much by our home office. You know, all the regulations in place to make sure what we're saying is true. And you know, that's all backed up with clinical trials, customer welfare. We have the most amazing customer service team that, you know, look after our clients for us, and community impact. We have the Arbonne Flourish Foundation. We raise millions and millions of pounds to support teenagers with their mental health by helping local charities all across the world. So when people shop through Arbonne, they can donate to the Arbonne Flourish Foundation as well. So that's a little bit about Arbonne. I hope you found that interesting. See if I can just stop share for a moment. So I hope you enjoy this week. I can't wait to spend some time with you all. There will be quiz questions and things that pop up. So, you know, just get involved with everything. And then you're going to go into prize draws. I've got goodie bags full of samples ready to post out to people as well. And just have lots of fun learning more. And I love doing these because for anyone that's not heard of Arbonne before in the party, I just found it really exciting getting to learn more about product safety, what to look for, how to get amazing results for everything, mind, body, skin, cosmetics. So have a fab week and thank you for having me. Feel free to introduce yourselves on the post. It'd be great to see who's here and what you're looking forward to the most. Bye.